Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib IT and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to remove any subject or object from any video by using AI. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to open a browser. So I am opening the Chrome browser from my PC. After opening the browser, you have to click on the search box and type here runway. Then click on enter. Then you have to open this website. Then you have to click on the sign up. After that, you have to click on the sign up with Google. Then you have to select a Gmail ID from here. Then you have to click on the skip button. After sign up on this website, you have to click on the edit video. Then you have to select in painting from here. Then we have to click on the upload. Then you have to upload the video. After upload the video, you have to select this video, then drag this video in here. After that, you have to select the subject or object which you want to remove. After select this, you have to wait for some time. Now here you can see the object has removed. Now I will remove this dog. So now here you can see the dog is also removed from here. After remove the subject and object, we have to export this video. To do it, you have to click on the export. Then you have to select 720p from here. Then select the MP4. Then click on the export video. Then you have to click on the assist. Now here you can see the video is exporting. So now you have to wait for exporting the video. After export the video, you have to click on here. Then you have to click on the home page. Then you have to click on the assist. So now here you can see the exported video. For download the video, you have to click on here. Then you have to click on the download. Now here you can see that download has been completed. After download the video, you have to close the browser. Then here you can see the video has downloaded. So now I am playing this video. So now here you can see the subject and object are removed. So in this way you can remove any subject or object from your video easily. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.